How may I help you tonight?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name of the nurse.
Let me check, ma'am. Yes, Miss Daniela, I found your reservation for a deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. May I please see your valid ID for verification?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. Here's your room key. Room 305 on the 3rd floor. The elevator is your right. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. at our Santa Fe on the ground floor. If you need any assistance during your stay, just dial 0 from your room code.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome, Miss Daniela. Enjoy your stay at Aloha Hotel and have a wonderful day. We hope you have